Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some very nice pork belly with me here. Probably about 300 grams. I blanch it and then I cut it into cubes like this, all right? Blanching recommended because it will help to remove the gaminess of the pork, yeah? Then I have some approximately 1 tablespoon of rock sugar. A bit lesser should be fine. Appa lazy to cut garlic and shallot today, so Appa straight away use some fried garlic and also fried garlic oil. 13 spice powder, salt, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, dark soya sauce, Shaoxing wine, light soya sauce. First of all, let's give it a little bit of vegetable oil here. And let's heat up the oil. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the blanched pork. Let's saute this for a minute or two before we continue. We try to render out some of the pork fat, yeah? And brown the pork a little bit. This is after like 1 minute plus. I can smell the nice aroma from the pork lard right now, pork oil, yeah? Fat, pork fat. Let me give it a bit of color. This is dark soya sauce. This is just to give it some base color. Next thing, we are going to give it some Shaoxing wine. Some filtered hot water. Some light soya sauce, 2 rounds. A bit of fine salt. Rock sugar. Garlic oil and fried garlic. One teaspoon of 13 spice powder. One teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Those interested can get it from Shopee Malaysia, Shopee Singapore, or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. This dish is almost done. See how simple it is. Right, now that it is boiling and we have put in all the sauce, I'm going to close the lid, tune down to medium low and set it to about 15 to 20 minutes. Right, this is only about 12-13 minutes. I already see the sauce already gets lesser and lesser. I think good enough. The sauce has reduced by itself and thickened up. Look at this consistency. It has thickened up by itself and it has sticked nicely onto the pork belly itself. Alright, it's basically done. Let me off the fire and it's ready to be served. Right, so here's my very simple braised pork belly today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to the Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.